If you're like me and get way too many newsletters than you can ever read, and you also get sent articles and interesting stuff on Slack or you see it on LinkedIn, and you don't have time to consume all this because you open a tab and then you end up in another meeting or another task, you end up with all these windows come the end of the day. NotebookLM can help you turn that into a quick debrief and give you the headlines. Then you can always deep dive back into the stuff that you need later that you want to go and do further research on. So you make a new notebook. I've just called it for today, today's date, and a roundup. You copy and paste in the URL. So if I go to here, this one, this is a blog post I wanted to read. I've got some things already in there. Go to our website, paste that in here, and that'll be uploaded. And then what you can do is get a podcast to listen on to the way home. Listen to on the way home. Generate that. I can leave that going in the background. You could get a FAQs or a briefing doc, and you can ask questions about these things as well. So that's a really fast way to consume multiple pieces of content in a format you like. I like listening to podcasts. I have a nice window on the drive home to sort of decompress from the day and listen to things, or on the way in tomorrow it can be there waiting for me as well. Let me know if you're using any tools like this to consume content, and share yours in the comments.
Follow us on LinkedIn for more expert insights every week.